next-gen title.
Sure, the new Western Gun also comes out on the Xbox and the PS2, but what people really want to know is how it looks on the Xbox 360. And you can see for yourself. It's our review of Gun for the 360. Hold on to your appendages. We're going to the Wild West.
Where are you going?
You want your fingers back, don't you?
Where the men are men.
Who's gonna blow them all off?
And the women, well, they're all hoes.
Damn it, girl. How long we gotta wait before we get a proper poke?
In Gun, you play as Colton White, a killer for hire and a product of tough love.
I ain't your father. Now go.
Colton's faux pas gets blown up. He gets a hankering for some six-gun justice with spaghetti on the side. Speaking of spaghetti, if Tommy Vercetti lived in the Old West, we're guessing he'd be a lot like Colton. If he's not straddling a horse, he's straddling something else.
Keep the change.
True to the game's name, the gun is the focus. Dual-wielding pistols, cannons, Gatling guns, and exploding arrows are Colton's peacekeepers of choice. Mix them with some TNT for explosive results. Horse combat is where the game hits the bullseye. And thanks to a generous auto-targeting system, you won't be getting your chaps in a bunch. But this is also where Gun misfires. It's too easy.
Now have another drink on me, and I'll be with you shortly.
He ain't getting a poke before us.
This is only worsened by the quick draw ability, where everything goes into slow motion and Colton is free to pick off hombres at will. Little bear. This game is definitely not for the little ones.
Feel that jackass!
It's brutal.
It's burning me.
Colton can sneak up on varmints and take them down, or use them for cover. Scalping and a lot of other nonsense ensure that this one is not for the little cowpokes. The game goes from one mission to the next with lots of great voice acting in between.
Bite some jerky.
Escort the settlers. Defend the stagecoach. Now, we've done it all before, and though there are plenty of side missions that will build Colton's stats, there's really no need to complete them.
Don't let me burn!
Clocking in at a handful of hours, you'll be back at the watering hole by high noon with tumbleweeds in your wallet. This one will get your spurs jangling for a little while with its over-the-top action and quick-moving plot. But this game's giddy-up, gets-up, and goes far too quickly for a 3 out of 5. Not a great-looking game.
Some of the 360 games, like Need for Speed Most Wanted and PGR3, managed to pull off that next-gen look, but Gun isn't quite there. And neither are some of the other 360 launch titles, like Tony Hawk's American Wasteland and Ridge Racer 6. They still look like Xbox games.